The extract blocks from an area option can be useful when you want to take part of a design and get block information from it. So let's try up here, extract block data, extract blocks from an area, and we're asked to select the blocks to extract. So we just put a box around them, so that's going to grab all the blocks in that particular area. So it'll get the plant symbols and some paving symbols. So if we hit enter, we'll get the opportunity to write that information to a CSV file, and it could be brought into Excel, into an Excel spreadsheet. Let's unselect. But I think a much more useful sub-option is to extract blocks on a particular layer. This paving brick here is on a layer called L-blocks. Let's put this symbol here onto, let's put this paving symbol here, which is a different symbol to the other one. We'll put that on a layer, on the same layer. So we'll call it L-blocks. So that's now been done. So now if we want to, we can lift just the information that's on the L-blocks layer and put that into a CSV file using the other option, which is to extract blocks by layer. You get a dialog box, and we put all of those on an L-blocks layer, and we go OK, and we'll just call this L. The file we'll just call it L-blocks, and that's been written to a file which we can now bring into Excel. So the file has been written, L-blocks, and I've started Excel, started a new spreadsheet, and gone to data, and we'll import the data. Excel sees the data as it's delimited in some way, which we agree with, and it's a comma separated file, so we'll do that, and we'll say next and finish, and put our data in cell A1. So in comes our data. We have a list of large pavers, and there should also be that other one there that was called a paver. So there are a number of different pavers. We've got the X and Y coordinate of the insertion point of each of those blocks, and we know the layer that it's on. So we were able to filter information on that layer quite easily, and then if we wanted to count up the number of pavers, we could do so just using the count A function in Excel. So I hope you can see that being able to lift data, block data from one layer is probably the easiest and most efficient way to work with that tool in gCADPlus.